This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Do you drive your Audi every day, thinking you're doing everything right? Smooth driving, no aggressive acceleration, everything feels under control. But what if one simple habit, something you do without even thinking, is slowly destroying your engine? Most drivers believe that damage comes from extreme situations, high speed, aggressive driving, poor maintenance. But in reality, some of the worst damage comes from normal driving habits. And the most common one is this: driving the engine cold, like it's already ready. When you start your Audi, the engine is not at optimal temperature. Oil is thicker, lubrication is not perfect, internal components are still adjusting. But most drivers start driving immediately. And even worse, they accelerate normally, or sometimes aggressively. Now, think about what happens inside the engine. Moving parts are not fully protected, friction is higher, wear increases. And over time, this creates long-term damage. But that's not all. Cold engine driving also affects fuel consumption, because the engine needs more fuel to stabilize and reach optimal temperature. So during this phase, you are consuming more fuel and increasing wear at the same time. And here's the dangerous part: this feels completely normal. Everyone does it, so nobody questions it. But repeated every day, this habit slowly reduces engine life and increases long-term costs. Now imagine this over months or years. Small damage accumulates, efficiency drops, performance decreases, fuel consumption increases, all without a clear moment where something breaks. And that's why this is one of the most dangerous habits for Audi drivers. In the next part, I'll show you the exact signs that this habit is already affecting your car. If you want to protect your Audi and avoid expensive damage, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps us bring you real solutions every day. The signs: this habit is already damaging your Audi. Now here's the problem. Most Audi drivers don't realize this habit is damaging their engine because the effects are not immediate. There's no warning light, no error message, no sudden failure. Just small changes that slowly become normal. Let's start with the first signal. Rough engine feeling at the beginning. When you start your Audi, the engine may feel slightly less smooth. You might notice a slight vibration, uneven idle, a subtle heavier sound. Most drivers ignore this. They think it's normal. But it's actually a sign that the engine is still stabilizing, and pushing it too early increases internal stress. Second signal: higher fuel consumption in the first minutes. Right after startup, your Audi uses more fuel. This is part of the warm-up process. But if you accelerate too soon, the engine demands even more fuel, which means you are consuming more than necessary every single time you drive. Over days and weeks, this becomes a real cost. Third signal: delayed throttle response. When the engine is cold, it cannot respond instantly, so when you press the accelerator, there is a slight delay. The car reacts, but not efficiently. And this creates a chain reaction. You press more, the engine injects more fuel, efficiency drops. Fourth signal: increased long-term engine wear. This is the most important one, because you don't feel it immediately. But every cold acceleration adds micro wear inside the engine. Metal components expand and adjust with temperature. When forced too early, they wear faster. And over time, this reduces engine lifespan. Now let's add something most drivers never consider: transmission stress during cold driving. When the engine is not ready, the gearbox also works differently. You may notice earlier gear changes, higher RPM, less smooth shifting. This is because the system is compensating, and this extra stress affects both performance and efficiency. Fifth signal: you need more throttle than before. Over time, you unconsciously adapt. You press the accelerator more to get the same response. And this is where fuel consumption increases significantly, because the car is no longer efficient. It's compensating. Now think about this. Every single drive starts the same way. Cold engine, early acceleration, extra fuel, extra wear. Multiply that by weeks, months, years, and the cost becomes real. And the worst part, you never notice a specific moment when the damage starts because it's gradual. And that's what makes this habit so dangerous. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to drive your Audi correctly to avoid this damage and actually improve performance and efficiency. If you want to protect your engine and save money long-term, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps us bring you real solutions every day. No avatar, no sottotitoli, solo brand Audi. Utilizza la stessa voce. Now that you know what's happening and how this habit is slowly damaging your engine, let's get to the most important part: how to fix it. Because the solution is not complicated. You don't need tools, you don't need money, you just need to change how you drive. Let's start from the moment you turn on your Audi. The engine starts, but it's not ready yet. Oil is still thick, internal components are adjusting, temperature is low. So what should you do? Don't rush. Wait a few seconds, not minutes, just enough for the system to stabilize. Then start driving. But this is where most drivers make the mistake. They drive normally immediately. Instead, you need to change your driving style for the first minutes. Drive smoothly. No aggressive acceleration, no high RPM, no sudden throttle. Let the engine warm up gradually. This is the key principle, progressive load. You allow the engine to reach optimal temperature without stress. And this has immediate benefits. Better lubrication, lower friction, less internal wear. And most importantly, lower fuel consumption, because the engine becomes efficient faster. Now let's go deeper. Many people think they need to warm up the engine while the car is stationary. This is a common mistake. Modern Audi engines don't need long idle warm-ups. In fact, driving gently is the best way to warm up. It's faster, more efficient, and healthier for the engine. Now imagine this change over time. Before you start driving, immediately push the engine, consume more fuel, increase wear. After you drive smoothly, let the engine adapt, reduce stress, save fuel. Same car, same engine, completely different outcome. And here's the most important insight. This is not about driving slower, it's about driving smarter. Because once the engine is warm, you can drive normally. You can accelerate, use full performance, enjoy your Audi, but only after the system is ready. And this simple habit can extend engine life, reduce fuel consumption, and improve long-term performance, all without spending anything. That's why this is one of the most powerful changes you can make as a driver. Because the difference is not in the car, it's in how you use it. If you want to protect your Audi, improve performance, and avoid hidden costs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps us bring you real, practical solutions every day. No avatar, no sottotitoli, solo brand Audi. Utilizza la stessa voce. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.